Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. Today, Wednesday, 17 April 2024. My trade directions for today will be long on the US dollar, the pound and the Swiss, short on the yen, the CAD and the Aussie. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started. Dollar index, first up. Seeing a little bit of a stalling last night, but yet another long white candle. Okay, this is getting a little bit smallish, but still new high close to the move. Definitely intraday bullish, everything bullish. Doesn't mean we can't get a retracement. There's a lot of resistance coming in there in the past, not at a specific level, so we can expect some profit taking on a stage. I mean, this has been running up like crazy. This is absolutely crazy. This is a 3-4% run up the page, so can expect sometime or other, but can't predict it. Can't say, well, I'm going to short the dollar because it's going to retrace. I will just use the opportunity on the retracement. When I get support and reversals, I'll use the opportunity to be long dollar again. But at this stage, long dollar is my direction. I'm not going to bet on any short of any retracement of any kind. Gold stalling because I think things are getting unsure. They're not so impressed anymore. As I've explained yesterday morning, we had a very deep, almost 100% retracement on the Fibonacci, showing some weakness coming in. And that means that we will or should get a resistance on that last swing of the 61%. And that's what's busy happening. I had high hopes when I saw the white candle pushing through those highs yesterday, but it failed. And that's even a more worrisome thing that happened in the market yesterday. So I'm a little bit worried about that based on any gold longs. But nonetheless, it's holding. It's holding. I'm not saying it will reverse from there. It just shows you that there will be a lot of resistance. We still have a strong dollar there, so that could, well, not could, should actually push gold down, but it doesn't. So if the dollar starts weakening, yeah, then gold will go up most likely with that. But with a war, it's a bit difficult. You know, everybody's running to gold. They're running to the dollar and the Swiss. I can see they're more choosing Swiss and the dollar than choosing gold at this stage. This shows a lot of bears came in, a lot of profit taking. So gold under pressure, all in all under pressure, but I'm still over the medium long term. I'm still very, very bullish on gold. Bitcoin, after testing that level I was worried about, I said yesterday, you know, just be cautious. Bitcoin halving in 2.5 days. It should be Friday night or Saturday. And but it's a known fact, you know, things, if everybody's aware of it, so most likely priced in, but we should see some volatility. This is a big sell-off just before the halving. As always, there's usually a little bit of a sell-off before the halving. We had some help from the war in Israel, but at this stage I think we'll have to wait. I think once the halving is done, we should slowly but surely see it start stepping upwards again. But I won't chase into it. The trend is bearish, so is most of the cryptos on the daily charts on my short-term indicator bearish. Not bearish that I will short it, just showing either it's going to fall a little bit further or it's just a consolidation period. But the bull trend has stopped when that changed color. So now I'm sitting on the sideline waiting and waiting for some nice, for this first to turn blue. If you've got no holdings in Bitcoin, yeah, it's a bit of a problem. But when you've got enough holdings, you don't need to add at silly places. You don't need to be desperate adding. So at this stage, I'm just holding on and sit tight. CAD Swiss, we got the short up there on Monday. Very nice short coming in there Monday evening. And now breaking through to new lows. Trail the stop loss to that high. Plus, you know, 10 to 15 pips, which brings you pretty much back to entry. So I said already yesterday with a new low, let's pull stop loss to entry. Where we got a T1 and a T2, I've explained it on yesterday's video, so please have a look there. So with a CAD Swiss, you can see CAD still red zone, Swiss a green zone. So I'm happy holding on to this. I'm not looking at new trades here. I won't lose money on this one. And if it goes to my targets, I'll take some profits. And the pound CAD, very nice big one. And when I started this video this morning, it was down here. Not starting the video, but planning. And I was thinking, okay, it's hitting the 61% level. You see the pound CAD there. All great, fantastic. And I wanted to say a close above the halfway mark on the black candle will get me long, but right at those highs, not a chance. I will then, if I get the size cat, it's still 2.5 hours. So still by the time you get the video, it might look different. But I won't chase it up there. I'm looking for a close above there. And if it's too close to that resistance levels, I'll wait for the sweet spot, the halfway marks of that white candle. Just wait for a retracement before I go in. But still on my watch list, still something I'm really interested in, but not at those levels. Even if it tested the 61% FIB right at market structure, the bounce is too hard, too fast for me right at resistance. And it might fly right through the highs and just keep going, leaving me on the sideline. Well, so be it. US yen. Still dollar strong, yen very weak. Dollar all the sparkle. Yen is fighting with the Aussie for the weakest one. Directional swing here. Retest 61% FIB. That's what I'm after, and that's why I hope we see a dollar retracement on the end of day charts. Profit taking, meaning this could come down and give me another opportunity to take some longs. Yeah, we had some lovely runs on the robot up the page. Then on the indices, Nasdaq, same as yesterday. Fibonacci swing. Retracement to structure at 61% FIB. On a strong dollar, I'm stock market bearish. I'm fine with that. S&P 500, same scenario. Just the retracement back to the 50-61% zone at structure, and strong dollar, stock market bearish. Right, then we move on to Aussie CAT. Aussie red CAT, also red but still stronger, so I would like to short here. That'll give me a long position in the CAT. But you know, I don't like them to be the same color, but I'll still consider them as it gets up there. Right, so that's my level. Swing, Fibonacci, 50, well, that's actually the 61% level. At structure, I'm going to look for a candle reversal there. Euro Swiss, I've got identified a bunch of levels up there, but I want to focus up this swing here, the latest swing here. The retracement back to the 50, between 50 and 61% Fibonacci level. Market confirmed that level yesterday. You look at the euro neutral, I'm not after that, but Swiss strong, so shorting this will give me the Swiss franc long I need. So when it gets there, I'll check it out again. Those levels I've got there, those are also FIB levels. If you look there, you can see the 50 and the 61. That's what I had yesterday on the video, but never got back there, and the market now tested and confirmed a new level. So now I'm after this level. I'll see how the market responds when it gets there. New Zealand Swiss. Big swing, retracement back to between 50 and 61. Right at structure there. New Zealand Swiss. I'm after the Swiss long. Shorting this will give me a Swiss long. Then the Euro CAD. Euro CAD there. Now they're getting very close to each other there. I don't like it anymore. I had it up because there is a change. They are swapping around a little bit. Guys, I'm streaming on my trend catcher robot. On live streaming on YouTube. I also publish this indicator there. So before you take any trades, go and have a look at the live stream. The purpose of the live stream is to demonstrate the robot, but as an additional service, I publish this indicator there. You can then come and have a look. They need to be further apart. They can't be this close to each other. Right. So then you can have a look at that if once it tested. Brand new trend here. I like this double bottom. This is what drew my attention. So you have this run up the page, zigzags down, double bottom, and the retest of the double bottom, the intermediate high there, is right at a very nice Fibonacci level. And that's why I'm really interested. I'm not removing it from my watch list, but I won't trade against that. In the Swiss yen, Swiss green, yen red, 100% comfortable. Big level, resistance, resistance, resistance. There was a little support. So when it gets back down there, we could expect some support there. I just need a strong candle reversal. Then I'll take the long from there. Euro Australian, last swing here. Retracement back to 50% level. You can see support, 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 resistance, resistance. Very strong level right at the 50% level. Euro neutral, but Aussie is the weak one, and I'm after the weak, well, the Aussie short. And by buying here, I'll get an Aussie short. So I'll wait for the test and then a strong candle reversal. Then I'll take some longs. I've got another level here, which is the same as yesterday, was that swing at the 50 to 61% level. But my focus for today is basically at that level. Then the FTSE falling quite nicely now, starting a bear trend with a strong pound. I would definitely like to be short here, and I would like to see a retracement back to that structure there, the 61% level. I want to be short, but definitely not at these levels. I would like to see a retracement. Highly doubt that that's going to happen today, but new trend, something that can happen maybe later this week, so I'm keeping my eye on that. In the US CAD, nice swing yesterday. US CAD, you see CAD red, US green, all the sparkle. So a retest there could give me another potential dollar long against the CAD short. So I would like to buy here on some nice candle reversals here, but I need a good strong reversal. There are lower levels, but I'm focusing today on this specific level. In Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss, very nice swing down the page. Aussie completely red, Swiss second strongest. So very good ideal pair to be shorting, because by shorting the Aussie Swiss, you're getting a long on the Swiss and you're getting a short on the Aussie. So this retracement back here started already there. You can see support, resistance, resistance, support, support, and now it could become resistance yet again. Very important level on the Aussie Swiss. So when it tests that, I'll look for a counter reversal for some shorts on the 4 hours. You can always use 1 hour charts for more of an intraday trade of those levels. Then my favorite trade idea today is a potential short in the Aussie US. But guys, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. Then getting back to my favorite setup for today. Aussie, completely red, the worst one of them all. Dollar, all the sparkle. So Aussie US short, that's definitely the one I'm looking at. Very strong moves down the page. I need this to retrace back to test this structure here, right at the 61% fib. On a nice strong counter reversal, I'll then look for some shorts then. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. If you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. Support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using personally since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.